A healthcare company wants to create a model to improve disease diagnostics by analyzing patient voices. The company has recorded hundreds of patient voices for this project. The company is currently filtering voice recordings according to duration and language. Which phase of the ML lifecycle describes the current project phase? A. Data collection. B. Data pre-processing. C. Feature engineering. D. Model training. Correct answer, B. B. Data pre-processing. A company is using Amazon Bedrock to build an AI assistant. The AI assistant helps customers find relevant products by making suggestions. However, the AI assistant's responses are often generic and irrelevant. The company wants to use prompt engineering to improve the AI assistant's responses. Which solution will meet these requirements? A. Use few-shot prompting to add domain-specific context and explicit instructions. B. Use chain-of-thought prompting with hidden reasoning steps to ignore explicit domain instructions. C. Modify the AI assistant's conversational style to use more formal language and include technical product specifications. D. Use zero-shot prompting to augment retrieval from a product database. Correct answer, A. Use few-shot prompting to add domain-specific context and explicit instructions. A company runs a website for users to make travel reservations. The company wants an AI solution to help create consistent branding for hotels on the website. The AI solution needs to generate hotel descriptions for the website in a consistent writing style. Which AWS service will meet these requirements? A. Amazon Comprehend. B. Amazon Personalize. C. Amazon Recognition. D. Amazon Bedrock. Correct answer, D. D. Amazon Bedrock. A company is using a pre-trained large language model, LLM. The LLM must perform multiple tasks that require specific domain knowledge. The LLM does not have information about several technical topics in the domain. The company has unlabeled data that the company can use to fine-tune the model. Which fine-tuning method will meet these requirements? A. Full training. B. Supervised fine-tuning. C. Continued pre-training. D. Retrieval augmented generation, RAG. Correct answer, C. C. Continued pre-training. A company wants to classify images of different objects based on custom features extracted from a dataset. Which solution will meet this requirement with the least development effort? A. Use traditional ML algorithms with custom features extracted from the dataset. B. Use a pre-trained deep learning model. Fine-tune the model on the dataset. C. Use a generative adversarial network, GAN, model to classify the images. D. Use a support vector machine, SVM, with manually engineered features for classification. Correct answer, B. B. Use a pre-trained deep learning model. Fine-tune the model on the dataset. A company wants to customize Amazon Bedrock Foundation models, FMs, to improve an application's performance. The company must prepare a training dataset for text-to-text model fine-tuning. Which dataset format should the company use to train the models? A. A JSON file with labeled data. B. A CSV file with unlabeled data. C. A CSV file with tabular data. D. A text file with unlabeled data. Correct answer, A. A. A JSON file with labeled data. A company wants to build generative AI applications by using Amazon Bedrock. The company wants to minimize development effort. Select and order the model development techniques from the following list from the least development effort to the most development effort. Each model development technique should be selected one time. Least development effort. Select Prompt Engineering, Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, Fine-tuning. Least development effort. Select Continued pre-training. Most development effort. Select Continued pre-training. An airline company wants to use a generative AI model to convert a flight booking system from one coding language into another coding language. The company must select a model for this task. Which criteria should the company use to select the correct generative AI model for this task? A. Syntax, semantic understanding, and code optimization capabilities. B. Code generation speed and error handling capabilities. C. Ability to generate creative content. D. Model size and resource requirements. Correct answer, A. A. Syntax, semantic understanding, and code optimization capabilities. An AI practitioner is using Amazon Bedrock prompt management to create a reusable prompt. The prompt must be able to interact with external services by calling an external API. Which solution will meet this requirement? A. Use special tokens. B. Use a tools configuration. C. Use prompt variables. D. Use a stop sequence. Correct answer, B. B. Use a tools configuration. A company wants to use Amazon Q Business for its data. The company needs to ensure the security and privacy of the data. Which combination of steps will meet these requirements? Choose 2. A. Enable AWS Key Management Service, AWS KMS, keys for the Amazon Q Business Enterprise Index. B. Set up cross-account access to the Amazon Q Index. C. Configure Amazon Inspector for authentication. D. Allow public access to the Amazon Q Index. E. Configure AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, for authentication. Correct answer, A and E. A. Enable AWS Key Management Service, AWS KMS, keys for the Amazon Q Business Enterprise Index. E. Configure AWS Identity and Access Management, IAM, for authentication.